It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a connect.
Chronic Law and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. I say same name, 𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, N-A, well, it's V, but Nvtzz, not with bad. Music video called bad. If me fuck up your name, bro, sorry about that, but yeah. I'll jump in on here where Chronic Law and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 officer. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Phoenix!
Let's go!
Yeah.
Let's go!
Bad Phoenix production, big up. La Boss. Honestly, we're going a while ago. Even though La Boss staying at the gym with him with the boxing thing them around him, you can see say him still have a fat matic on him waist. Look on him waist. When him get up, look there. Yo, me see everything, you know. Why me stay so?
Good.
Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Not in here. Me get it right.
Midnight.
Room.
You understand? Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Squeegee with my gun pass anybody. Zozo, Popo, bro. Have a 15 with the GoPro. But
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go! Let's go!
This is the song that is the lyric that is on TikTok where say people say, yo, my next artist, we got the gene and make up a seven from where they must say, yo, La Boss thief him lyrics. But I wouldn't think so. I wouldn't think so. Out of all person, one somebody for thief lyrics, not La Boss. I know that for a fact. Let's go. No, sorry. Let me correct that. The G never said La Boss thief him lyrics, by the way. The G never said La Boss thief him lyrics. People have said La Boss thief him lyrics. People have said that. The G found out and say, yo, great man think alike. You understand? So the G never said that. Alright? Let me just clarify that.
good.
Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Midnight. You understand? Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Lyrics ready.
Squeegee with my gun pass
Anybody.
Zozo, Popo, bro. Have a 15 with the GoPro. But
Screechy with me gun past anybody. Zozo, Popo, bro. So him screechy past Zozo and Popo. Then him go address him bro and tell him what him have.
pass anybody. Zozo, Popo, bro. Have a 15 with the GoPro. But me and my gun close like Tonos. Me like the clip tall like goalpost. Me carry them here in a church and quarters. These guys in a boat school and work clothes. But me style a var in a chokehold. Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody. Regularly them in a schemes chop up every time.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
Yo!
Let's go! Let's go!
Lyrics machine, man.
Good.
Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Midnight. You understand? Yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Squeegee with my gun pass anybody. Zozo, Popo, bro. Have a 15 with the GoPro. But me and my gun close like Tonos. Me like the clip tall like goalpost. Me carry them here in a church and quarters. These guys in a boat school and work clothes. But me style a var in a chokehold. Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody. Regularly them in a schemes chop up every parish. These guys in a boat school
Rifle
and
with
work
it.
clothes.
Yo, hola.
Me style a var in a chokehold. Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody. Regularly them in a schemes chop up every parish. Don't pass nothing if it's not a 30 belly matic. Rifle you longer than Bellevue firing.
Don't pass nothing if it's not a 30 belly matic. We don't want nothing unless the clip extended. Yeah, no regular matic 30.
In a chokehold.
Fuck.
Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody regularly.
Pass
Them in the
anybody.
schemes chop up every parish. Don't pass nothing if it's not a 30 belly. Work close. Bad. Me style of war in a chokehold. Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody regularly. Them in the schemes chop up every parish.
Well, how about 2 hours ago?
Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody regularly. Them in the schemes chop up every parish.
Like, look like, yo, I'm scared of myself. I am scared of myself. When you see me there, as I sit down and analyze, me there, more time, me there one place where not even me nourish by me there. When me just notice, obviously it's a music video. Obviously, this man have so much lyrics. Unnecessary sister Labas forget couple line. Well, I think probably one bar he missed a while ago and said something totally different. Unnecessary that. I bet you no other reaction and no pick that up. Watch ya.
Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody regularly. Them in the schemes chop up.
You see that? Labas. La boss. Yo. Can I just say, bro? I'm scared of myself, dog. Let me see if we can do it or look at it. God, wait on. I just saw mistake. We just fuck up.
Anybody regularly, them in the schemes chop up every parish.
Regularly, them in the scheme chop up everybody. Yeah, that fact that. Labas, big up yourself though. Big up yourself. When me out here I react to every fucking thing and I see everything. Labas, I'm sorry, bro. I just had to point that out, bro. Yeah. All the bar them miss you. Everybody, yeah.
Post me, carry them here in a church.
Let's go, though.
These guys in a boat, school and work close. Bad. Me style of war in a chokehold. Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody regularly. Them in the schemes chop up every parish.
Them should have cut that part there and get a next shot somewhere though. I don't even think the person who edited even catch that, brother. I swear, it's happened so fast.
These guys in a boat, school and work.
Labas though, big up.
Me style of war in a chokehold. Rifleman walk with the broom pass anybody regularly. Them in the schemes chop up every parish. Don't pass nothing if it's not a 30 belly matic. Rifle you longer than Belvedere every traffic. Me bring my gun past soldier. People ask if I hope ya. Me bring my gun in a.
Man say bring him gun past soldier. People ask if I hope ya. Oh, you do it. Oh, you do that. Oh, you do that.
Me bring.
Oh, you manage to pass the soldier like that. I hope ya. All the soldier of search you and find that. That's what the people must say, not me.
That's not me if it's not a 30 belly matic. Rifle you longer than Belvedere every traffic. Me bring my gun past soldier. People ask if I hope ya. Me bring my gun in a pro box and coaster.
Me bring my gun in a pro box and coaster like a passenger.
People ask if I hope ya. Me bring my gun in a pro box and coaster. In a pro box and coaster. Squeeze you with my gun pass anybody.
Read him
Show
back.
me a bad man. Brawling we do shootout pan camera. 22 and no rims, we no Cadillac. 26, 23 and some other Glock. Bad. Kill people and fly up Panama. Rich badness drive by with the Jaguar. Bad. Them nash.
Rich badness drive by with the Jaguar. Jaguar my talk. Drive by not some top car the boss a drive by and I think some little prank car the boss a drive back. Nah, kill people and go Panama. Rich badness.
And fly up Panama. Rich badness drive by with the Jaguar. Bad. Them nah shut a man a that. Never. And we kill more people than cholera. Bad. Chain bad.
Kill more people than cholera. Do no research on cholera and find out how much people cholera killing at the last day.
Them nah shut a man a that. Never. And we kill more people than cholera. Bad. Chain bad. The whole of Spain bad. Do the key bad. Beat it like a slave job. Nah kill nobody. I just said name bad. Me call Beretta Storm the rain god. Me have your girl give me a she never say me taste bad. Nuts. All of the beat and not just the bass bad.
Me have your girl give me edge. She never say me taste bad. Yeah. Never say me taste bad. All of the beat bad. And I just what I'm saying? What's that?
Me have your girl give me a she never say me taste bad. Nuts. All of the beat and not just the bass bad.
All of the beat and not just the bass bad. Me just said the rhythm bad a while ago. Definitely bad. Bad rhythm. Next, big up.
Me have your girl give me a she never say me taste bad. Nuts. All of the beat and not just the bass bad.
Yo, Nvtzz.
We full of shoes and we
Max,
have
ready?
a box. Shirt bad, jeans bad. Every man a kill a pine like a team bad. Yeah, me full of gun and nothing legal. Anywhere me go, me make a couple squeeze off you.
Yeah, me full of gun and nothing legal. You know, and a license gun. None of that, brother. And nothing, but him full of gun. Anyway, I'm going to make up a squeeze off. Rah!
Bad, yeah, Yeah, me full of gun and nothing legal. Anywhere me go, me make a couple squeeze off your shirt. Bad, jeans bad. Every man a kill a pie, little team bad. Yeah, me full of gun and nothing legal. Squeeze you with my gun pass anybody.
Really mad for Joe, man. I like it.
Bro, have a 15 with the GoPro. But me and my gun close like Kronos, man. Me like the clip tall like GoPro.
You know, have a thump him yet in a lavas. The match don't start yet, you know. The fight not start yet. You thump him in chest, brother. You puff him on chest before the fight even start. Watch out.
But me and my gun close like Kronos, man. Me like the clip tall like goalpost. Me carry them here in a church and courthouse. These guys in a boat school and work clothes. Hard. Me style of her in a chokehold. Rifleman walk with the broom pass. Anybody regularly, them in our schemes. Chop up every parish, don't pass. Nothing if it's not a 30 belly-matic. Rifle you long and down Belvedere every traffic. Me bring my gun pass.
Suck yourself. Suck yourself. Suck yourself. You know hear the man saying though? Eh? The man in the band of fist to custom fighting with your pussy. You know me a who? You know me a who? You think I'm gonna make a thump up my face and then me drop a gun and then you laugh and tap and roll up and referee roll up and boy you win? No pussy, all them gunshot ya. I never expect that.
Me bring my gun pass.
Fuck yourself. I want to take off the gloves though. Oh, I want glove in my van. My van 2 gloves there, sir. In my van 2 gloves there, sir. 2 gloves there, sir, no.
Me style of her in a chokehold. Rifleman walk with the broom pass. Anybody regular.
1 glove in my van now. In my van 1 glove now.
Them in our schemes, chop up every parish, don't pass. Nothing if it's not a 30 belly-matic.
That's why I smile, sir.
Me bring my gun pass.
Blood clot. Fuck up. Jeez. A movie. Labas kill him in real life. Permanent knockout, man. Permanent knockout in get. Oh, and him get and push out the back of head, you know. Man get one of them ball in back of head push out. Yo, woman just watch a while ago. Yo, bad. This bad. This fucking bad. I mean, he win the fight. He win the fight. I was not expecting the end, bro. I was not expecting the end, bro. Yo, the video start. I will see the boss in the gym, you know, and then somebody come in and greet him, and then the video start and rare. He might tell you from in the middle of the song, say, yo, I rifle him walk with brother and pass him gun. He make him gun pass. He bring him gun past anybody. All soldier. People ask if I will be. Then when I reach in the ring, what do you think I go on? From in the start of the video, I'm sure and say, yo, Labas have him gun pan him, bro. From in the start of the video, when him stand up, you can see say the whole yo, him have him gun under him marina, brother. Show me a better man. Show me a better man, brother. Show me a better man. Labas. Big up yourself, bro. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Yo, my God. If you don't want to see more Labas, click on any one of them 2 video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. One theme. Yo, later.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And this is a rip connect.